What's up? As I'm sure you know, we're going to be doing the spark plugs on this 2013 Mazda CX-5. The dealership had quoted me $260 to do this. It's going to be sad how easy this is. So let's get into it. First thing we got to do is rip off this cover. Then we're going to remove the coil pack from the top. Pull up the coil pack, pull it out of there. We have a 14mm socket here. Stick that down in there. And pull out the spark plug. We want to compare our new spark plug to our old spark plug, make sure that we got the right size one. As far as the tips are concerned, it doesn't look too bad on the old one, but it is old, so away it goes. I'm going to put a little bit of anti-seize on the threads. You want to start it by hand and make sure you don't strip out the threads. Just give it a small amount of torque. Take some electric grease, stick it up into your ignition coil. Take your coil, stick it in there. Take your bolt. I put a little bit of anti-seize on that one too. And run that sucker down. And that's one. So let's go ahead and do the other four. 3. That's 2. And that's 3. And that's 4. Now let's start it up and find out if I should have paid somebody $260 to do it. Looks like we're okay. No check engine lights. Now I just have to pop this cover on. These things here will go onto there. So that's it. That little work saved me $200. I spent about 60 bucks, well, no, 35 bucks on the spark plugs. Saved myself more than 200 bucks. Thanks for tuning in.